TRUNC function truncates a number to an integer by removing the decimal or fractional part of the number. This function has two arguments. In number argument, select the number that you want to truncate. In numDigits argument, number specifying the position of the truncation. In default, 0 is entered. In number box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In numDigits box, type 1 or select this cell reference. Click OK. TRUNC function returns a positive integer 3 with digit 1 right of the decimal point because 1 is entered in numDigits box. Active this cell. Click TRUNC function. In number box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In numDigits box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function truncates 83.48 and returns a positive integer 83 because 0 is entered in numDigits box. Paste the formula in this cell. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Function returns 4 in this cell because 0 is entered in numDigits box. Active this cell. Click TRUNC function. In number box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In numDigits box, select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns the same result with negative sign as in this cell because 2 is entered in numDigits box. Paste the formula in this cell, press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. Function returns a positive integer 98 with 3 digits right of the decimal point because 3 is entered in numDigits box. This function does not round the digits, it simply truncates number as specified in numDigits box.